Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice, and if you would, like, share, and subscribe. Oh man, do we got some great news. This is the 5 minute chart. We have a new high today in pre-market of 220.36 and rising here. She's fighting it out right at the top. Current price is 219.75. So we got great news. To Mars we go. That's what Grandpa says. To Mars we go. You know, Elon, he don't want to go to the moon. He wants to go to, well, he might go to the moon too, but he wants to go to Mars. And that's further away, so that's higher up. Okay, so what happened? Insurance registrations were up from 14,400 to 16,200 for the week ending September 8th. And let's see, it's so they're saying it may show a 25% growth, and that's tremendous. So anyway, the early October quarterly deliveries are going to be coming out, and they're anticipating fantastic numbers. So this is huge. And then Robotaxi Day is on October 10th, which is even, well, that's more great news, put it that way. So yeah, Tesla. Tesla came up. They broke some good news early this morning, and so that makes for exciting times. Okay, let's see here. What's Grandpa doing early here? Uh, we're 20 minutes till the open, so Grandpa got going a little earlier today. Oh boy. Now Grandpa's gonna, I got your Elon on there, but that's not what Grandpa's looking for at the moment. I want to take and figure out which one I'm on here, and then I'm going to just bear with Grandpa just for a second. Not real quick, you know, Grandpa's not real quick. Okay, I wanted to get that up on the screen so that if you want to call that Zoom, you can, and I'll switch back and forth between that and my candles here till we get going shortly. Um, what do we have for signals? Well, we have a buy signal in the 1 minute, and we have a bear flag going in the 5 minute currently. So, but there is currently a buy in the 1 minute pre-market here. She's been running sideways here into the open. So when all these other traders find out the good news, they should get pretty excited. 219.5 to we're running in a 75-cent range here for the last hour or so. Back and forth, back and forth. That's what's really going on. So we there. I think Grandpa's got up his sign again on Zoom. Now, my understanding is that you have to call the number and then you type in the meeting code, and followed by pound pound, and it's the same number every day, the same meeting code every day. So once you got it, you know, my tech guy's going to come over after church on Wednesday, and he's going to make this thing small so I can put it in the corner of my screen and my candle screen. Then I don't have to keep flipping back and forth. Grandpa's getting educated, so that's what's going on there. That's if Zoom is if you want to listen to Grandpa without any lag at all. But if you have good internet, I've been getting good reports. One guy was 13 seconds for a while yesterday lag, and then down as low as 7 or 8 seconds. But rule of thumb, you can figure 30-second to a minute lag on listening to Grandpa give buy and sell signals, and but it is nice to be able to you can just mute the live stream, and you can listen to Grandpa instant on the buy and sell signals, which is a huge benefit, especially if Grandpa does it right. Then it's really a huge benefit. So, yeah, how it works is what it's designed for is the reverse engulfing method. Heikin ASHI that Grandpa uses is real good for the opening. You might get a misdirection for $1 or so, $2. Sometimes we get it completely right out of the chute and can just take the whole run. And then around 10:30, when you move sideways, the reverse engulfing system, nothing works when you're moving sideways. The only thing that works then is scalping. And scalping is just a guess. It works, but you pick up your 50 cents or your $1 back and forth. But coming out of the gate, let's see, yesterday we had trees in his trucker. He picked up 700 yesterday off of Grandpa's signals, and I know Jeff was over 200 and under 300. I think he was out on his phone with his grandkids and one of his daughters, and but he was listening to Grandpa, and so yeah, everybody was a winner yesterday. Every one of my guys was a winner yesterday, and or gals. Me and Grandma we're along right now, and we're waiting to get some money. If we can get up to if we break 222, we are on our way for 227. It's very likely, and most likely into the 230s. So today just might be our day to take a run. I am hoping. Today might be our day to take a run. We're still under a golden cross in the 5-minute. We are still under a golden cross in the 5-minute, and how much has it given us so far? Quite a bit. Quite a bit. 215.25, 215.25, and it has given us a little over $5 so far. This golden cross right here. Golden cross is where the 200 crosses up through the 50 moving average crosses up through the 200, and we have done that. And the next thing you'll see in 5 minutes is a death cross, but we're not looking for one of those anytime quick here. That might be tomorrow or the next day, who knows. But okay, DLA has given me a little advice on doing my copy and pasting my deal on there, but it's, I'm just going to wait for the tech guy because Grandpa's just, I'm not techie. I've never, I used to eat paste, DLA. Elmer's glue when I was a kid. A matter of fact, I kind of liked it. But what's lead paint? Lead paint at my grandma's house was just big chunks of lead paint. I didn't even know what lead paint was, but it tasted like gum to me. Yep, and you wonder what's wrong with Grandpa. So if you want to hear Grandpa live, you can dial this number and this meeting code followed by pound pound. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Grandpa would do it if he could. DLA says, I know you're sharp. And DLA is the only guy that's ever said that to Grandpa. In my whole life, nobody's ever said, Grandpa, you're sharp. But only DLA. I like that guy. He's going to have twin babies here pretty soon. Yeah, Tesla's got some good news. Great news. Going to Mars. They're going to go, not the moon. He's going to go right by the moon on the way to Mars. Insurance registrations up a lot. 14,400 to 16,200 for the week ending September 8th. And it's showing potentially a 25% growth in Tesla. Early October, we're going to get our quarter delivery numbers, and they're saying it should just be tremendous. So, and then we got Robotaxi Day coming on October 10th. Oh boy, the excitement is just built. It's always fun in Tesla. Everything is always fun. We're coming up on the open. And hey, you guys, I know, like, if you're new and might be listening, you see where Grandpa's mouse is up here? Right above buy market. Okay, right above buy market. I have mine on 5 right now. It's 5M. If you click on that, it will give you a drop-down menu of, for instance, I have the daily on the bottom, 1 day, okay, 4 years, 1 day. Then I have the monthly, 3 years, 1 month, 1 day, 2 months, 3 years, 1 day, 3 days, 2 minutes. So you have a 2-minute chart, a weekly chart, a daily chart, 4-hour chart, 180 days, 4 hours. And and you have the 30-minute chart, the 15, the 1 minute. And you just click on it, and then you just click it again up here, and it disappears, reappears. It's just like magic. It's absolutely just like magic. So, and right here, it says time frame. And if you click on the time frame, you can customize by clicking the aggregation period. Say you want 5 minutes and you want 5 days. You can change as many as 360 days in that aggregation period. And you can do that with each one. And then if you want to save it, you click the star. Okay. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, Mr. Mom. Hey, you guys, you can get live if you want. Grandpa will invite you to join him. Here's the number. Write that down just in case if you want. You can listen to Grandpa absolutely without lag or tiny eighth of a second, probably. So, yeah, we had great news in Tesla come out. So she's strong this morning. What was the new? Hang on a second, I'll tell you. I'm going to switch to the 1 minute chart. I'm going to back up a little bit. 220.36, and that was the new high on them insurance registrations. They're saying 25% potential 25%. We're going to show 25% growth. Tesla's been doing business and forgot to tell people. Oh man, that Elon, he's always having fun. Well, when you can give 45 million a month away to Trump, you got to have a little bit of money. And I should probably put it back on my kennel chart. I'm going to make that thing smaller. Don't you worry there, DLA. Grandpa will get it done. I'll be a rock star wizard. Grandpa's not very techy. He's just good looking. But wow, great internet. What? Hey, I'll put the clock up. You guys tell me my lag. We got 4 minutes to the open. I got to pay attention. Where'd my clock go? There it is. Okay, here's your clock, you guys. We're running absolutely straight sideways into the open. And, yeah, DLA, he just keeps complimenting. He's going to the Waffle House. He's taking his wife out. They're going to celebrate the twin boys are going to be here any minute by around the 14th to 18th area. She usually has them early. When she has twins, she usually has them early. We're going up. Do we have a buy signal? I ain't even sure. I would say so. Somewhere. So, there you got my clock on the screen. How did I do that again? Okay, so yeah, and if you wanna call that number, write down the meeting code. We got a new high, 220.68. It bounced up quick, didn't take out Grandpa's sell, however, which I didn't like. New high, 220.68 in a WICK. I got sell at 220.50 that's still standing there. And it is good till canceled extended, I believe. Yes. So Grandpa didn't get his fill, but I'm not too concerned about it. She looks Okay, DLA says we have a lag of 8 seconds to him. Oh, Treasonous Trucker is joining Zoom. Treasonous Trucker, you're going to probably have to type in the meeting code. Write down that meeting code 353-0244766 pound. I know you said yesterday that you got in without it, but we did a few tests yesterday and nobody could get in without it. So I don't know how that occurred. And you guys can some of you, if you want to call and talk on my live stream a little bit, Jeff or whoever, you can call my home phone here and say hello. Great news came out. I'm telling you what, 25% growth potential here from these insurance registration numbers. Okay, so Dusty's getting his cow on Wednesday, and then after church on Wednesday, they're getting a Jersey milk cow. Okay, it's the open. We are waiting for something to happen here. Currently, we have a cell signal, and it's not. It's too early to say it's a cell signal. I'm sorry. We have a cell signal in the 1 minute. That's all we got. We have a cell in the 1 minute. The 5 minute looks like it's going to be a cell, but I can't call it for 3 minutes. So there's nothing I can do about it. But we do have a cell in the 1 minute if you want to get crazy. And she is reversing and going straight up. It was a spoof. We have a buy in the 1 minute, and we are going straight up. Grandpa is making money. She reversed. Was a fake out. The 1 minute was a fake out going down. And that is the way it is. Hey, Grandma sold her shares. She's out riding bike. Grandma made her money. She did excellent. Grandpa did excellent. I'm up almost 500. And now we got to look about what we're going to do next, if anything. Grandpa's in no rush to do nothing. But that's just Grandpa. New high at 221.97. Yeah, they did the misdirection. They'd love to get a short on that bus. That was quick. Grandpa's happy. Yepper. Hey, DLA, you made your money. It went up so fast. Do something, DLA. We're up at new high at 222.50. You wanted 220, remember? I hope you guys didn't go short with that fake out in the 1 minute. One little teeny red candle, fake out, sell signal. Yep, a reversal signal. We even had one in the 5 minute, but I couldn't give a sell signal in the 5. DLA likes to wait for the 1 and the 5 sometimes. New high 222.90. I don't care. Grandpa's happy. He picked up his money. I already made my money for today. She's going up. This thing is looking strong. I'm almost tempted to get back on the bandwagon and take the ride up. No sign of a cell signal. Oh, do I got that crazy thing on the screen? I sure do. Uh, Sorry about that, Clutch. Yeah, we have nothing but buy signals everywhere. Sorry about that, Clutch. Grandpa's brain ain't all that good some days. Although Clutch seems to think I'm sharp. Looks like we might be getting a bear flag. Do not panic. We have no cell signals. None. New high at 222.93 and no cell signals currently. No problem, Clutch. Thanks for. I'll tell you what. Thanks for letting me know because I got too many screens, and when I have that up, I'm looking at my candle chart thinking that's what I'm showing you, and Grandpa's a little crazy, but my guys help Grandpa. That's what they do. They keep an eye on Grandpa. Oh, did anybody want to join? Ed, are you anybody gonna try join Zoom? I forgot to look at that too. I got so excited. You have to come, and then I'm supposed to allow you in. I got such good internet, and you guys got such good internet. Nobody needs Zoom. I might cancel it. I don't know, because it costs money. But if you're out where you have no good internet, it'd really be nice. 223.83 and climbing. We got some great news that came out, and they are having fun with it. And DLA says we have 8-second lag to him down in Nashville, Tennessee, where when I go down there, he's going to take me to the Waffle House, and we're going to have pancakes and sausage. That's what we're going to do. And if he comes up here, he's going to get me pancakes. Oh, man. Oh, I'll bring them twins up here, and we'll have fun. There's no lack of little babies around this area. My daughter-in-law has one every 9 months. And the latest one is Gideon. And we have some other people in the church. They have one every 8 months. I won't say who they are, and I'm just teasing. But it's a race. It's a race to we're populating the area up here in the UP. There's not very many people up here, New high at 223.83. We do not have a cell signal anywhere. Absolutely. And we're still under this golden cross. Also, let's see. We're almost up to a $9 golden cross. And we know we can do a $23.70 one because we did that last week. That's the biggest one I ever seen. Usually they're around $12. So if we get that, we'll be up at 230 area. Okay, this is not. We do not have a cell signal. I know you're looking at red candles here, but it is not a cell signal. And we have red candles in the 1 minute, and that's not a cell signal. These should be bear flags, okay? So just relax, relax. We do not have a cell signal in the 1 minute. Oh, I'm showing you the 1 minute. We got a bear flag in the 1 minute. The 5 minute is a buy. Do not panic. It's not a sell signal. It's going to be a bear flag. We'll look at the 15 minute. Up, up, up. Got quite a wick on that bus, but let's see how long is left. We've still got 6 minutes left of this candle. This is a mid-sized candle. Where'd Grandpa's price ladder go? Boy, that's a nasty looking bear flag in the 1 minute. I'll go back to the 5 minute. 5 minutes a buy, 15 is a buy, 1 minute is a bear flag. It is not a sell signal. I don't care if it goes down $10. It's not a sell signal, but it ain't pretty, I can tell you that. 5 minute, let's see, holds that candle. We do not have a sell signal in the 5 minute either. This is the 5 minute chart. This candle's only 18 seconds old. I'm a baby candle. I'm a baby candle. We have no sell signal, and we've gone down several dollars. Oh man, what a stock. It is just wild. She's pushing us back up again. Don't panic. This candle is it ain't even a minute old yet. It's getting close. Now it's 1 minute old. There's 4 minutes left of this candle. You don't even know what color it's going to be. Okay, our bear flag is just about over in the 1 minute. I'll show it to you. I told you it was a bear flag. See that green candle? It's going up, up. This is a buying opportunity. Buy the dip. Get on board here. And in Grandpa's humble opinion, let's see, what do I got going? I hate to buy up here, but I'm gonna. I want to get some shares. I should have been a little more quicker on the gun. That was absolutely now it's going to run up and leave Grandpa behind probably, but I don't want to chase it too hard. But, yeah, we got some good news in Tesla. This thing could run to 230, so we got a new high at 223.83. I keep forgetting to look at my Zoom. Oh, Grandpa's got a few shares. I hope it's not a big mistake, but I don't think so. She'll probably move sideways a while. Grandpa buys in increments. If I don't get extra, I don't care. It's just Grandpa. I like to buy in increments and get out pretty much when I get out, or something like that. I did not anticipate buying shares at this range today. Okay, so we are moving what chart am I showing you? We still under a buy signal. The 1 minute, what do we got going? We're still under a buy signal in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. The 1 minute don't look pretty right now. It's giving us coming, but we don't have a sell signal. We only have a buy signal in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Grandpa's trying to get shares here. Where is the... Yeah, right around... would be nice if we dip down here again. I don't know that we will. I'm going to try get a little more here. She's probably going to move sideways in this area for a while. I got a 220.75 average. And there's Grandpa's phone number. Okay, Grandpa got some more shares. No, I'm happy. Now they're going to have to come to Grandpa. Grandpa's not coming to them. Bring her down a little bit so Grandpa can get some more shares. We're moving straight sideways. The battle is on right here. We are in the battle. Grandpa's got a 220.75 average going long. I did not anticipate that for today. She could I think we're gonna very likely see 227. Just this is only Grandpa's opinion, okay? But that would be our next place of any resistance is 227. So we broke 222 and cleaned it out, and we're going to clean it out again. So I'm anticipating 227 at a minimum today. This thing is crazy. But for right now, the war is on. You see these candles? We are absolutely going to snap like a rubber band when she snaps. We got our first snap of the day, and we will get another one. It will be up or down. We have no... I can't give you a signal on this. We're still long. We're still buy signals. It's absolutely moving sideways in a $1 range. In a $1 range, and if not less. The $1 range straight sideways, and she's going to snap. And it looks like, because we're under a buy signal in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. We're still under that crazy buy signal after all this garbage. Grandpa knows candles. It's like reading a book. Here we go. Here we go. I'll show you the... Oh, I'm on the 1 minute again. Grandpa's brain is gone. So here's the 5 minute. We're under a buy signal in the 5 minute. We're under a buy signal in the 1 minute. We're currently under a buy signal in the 15 minute. I'm going to look at the daily and see if the dominant trend has changed. If this candle is like this or better by the end of the day, the dominant trend has reverted to the upside, and the dominant trend would be up. So just so you know, you're under a buy signal in everything, absolutely everything. This is the 1 minute chart. New high at 223.95 just hit. Grandpa's getting richer. Grandpa's getting richer and rich. They should have named Grandpa Richard because he just gets Richard and Richard and Richard. Yeah, other than that little fake out in the beginning in the 1 minute candle, we had it pegged all the way up to the moon. Well, Mars. And I put that in my title today. Boy, Grandpa's getting good at putting stuff in his title. Yeah, I'm going to get that Zoom thing and stick it down in the corners so that I don't have to disrupt my candles. Nobody wants to look at that garbage. And most of you guys got great internet, so Grandpa's lag is minimal at best anyway. So, yeah, this is fun times. New high at 223.96. I think, we're going to get some ups and downs here along the trail, but I think 227 is coming our way. I wish I'd have got a few more shares down there, but I just got done selling shares. Now I got more shares. Yeah, Grandpa's doing good. What the world? Up over 500 for today so far. Can't cry about that. Let's see. I hope you guys got it going in the right direction here. Yeah, that was nice. They gave us that beautiful. I'll show it to you. They gave us that bear flag. That was an opportunity. Right here. No cell signal in the 1 minute. Bear flag. And it went down all the way to 219.55. Whoa. Okay, we are getting a possible reversal. We have a cell signal in the 1 minute currently. We do have a cell signal. It's not the prettiest thing I've ever seen, but we do have a cell signal in the 1 minute. However, we do. Nope. I take that back. We do not have a cell signal in the 1 minute, and we don't have one in the 5 minute. It was I didn't wait for the candle to grow up. Grandpa forgot to watch the clock on that 1 minute. We have a new high of 223.97. Still buy signals. I got to watch this thing. No cell signal and nothing. Always take a good. I hope you guys got that. No cell signal and nothing. 224.10. Grandpa's getting Richard and Richard and Richard. I'm long. Good thing you're on delay. Up 2K this morning on my options from Friday. $2,000. Good job, DLA. He needs money because he says it was a rough ride. He needs money to go to take his little lady out to that guy loves his wife and he's a good husband. He does the dishes and all that sort of stuff. He vacuums. We're going straight up. New high at 224.56. DLA has picked up 2,000 plus, and he had a rough ride, but it was a good ride. He's got twin boys coming. He needs to be able to buy diapers. Because them little Jesse and Mac, they like only the best diapers, not these mediocre diapers. They're getting the best diapers. That's what we're going to do. She is just sailing up today. I'm looking for 227. I'm looking for 227. Yeah, they did that indecision candle in the 1 minute, and the other one was red, and Grandpa didn't look at the time. And they faked Grandpa out for just a second. So, but Grandpa's not perfect. You probably figured that much out so far. 224.60, new high in Tesla buy signal in every chart we got. I'll show you a few of them. Here's the 15-minute, nothing but a buy signal. I should buy more shares. 30-minute, nothing but a buy signal. Hourly, nothing but a buy signal. 4 hour, nothing but a buy signal. What a candle. That is beautiful. Holds that candle. I want to see how old that candle is. 9. This candle's an hour old. The daily is turning into a buy signal, so that means the dominant trend is up, and we're up above the white trend line that's been coming down for 3 years. So we're and the body of the candle is above it. That's huge. I'm going to take a quick peek at the weekly. Yep, we broke through. Here's the weekly trend line, or the 3-year trend line coming down. New high at 224.77, 224.85, going straight up. Heading for where? Well, it's heading for 227. Grandpa mentioned that. Are we having fun or what? So yeah, we have nothing but buy signals. I'm back on the 5-minute chart. I'm back on the 5-minute. New high at 225.10. Let's see. I don't have that many shares, but I will sell them if I get up high enough here. Grandpa wants to get 220. Oh, let's see, what does Grandpa want? Oh, well, Grandpa's, I want to take some profit, so I think I'm going to front run 227 by just a little bit. That's just only Grandpa's crazy idea. It doesn't have nothing to do with signals. I can always move it later if I change my mind. Right now we have no sell signals, none. New high at 225.10. The way this is looking, Grandpa's anticipating 227 or real close to it. Maybe 230s today. They got some great news that came out. The insurance registrations were up from 14,400 to 16,200 for the week ending September 8th. and it's showing that there's very possibly going to be a 25% growth in the early quarterly deliveries are coming out the first part of October here, and they're anticipating just massive numbers, great numbers. Okay, I'm going to watch the candles this time. I got to watch the time. That's what I got to do. I'll put my time up for a little bit. Oh ho ho ho. They tried to fake us out with an indecision in the 1 minute. These boys are playing everything they can to get us out of these trades right now. I'll show it to you. Right here. They tried to get us out of the trade with a couple of indecision candles. She might be going to move sideways here for a bit up here. New high at 225.20. She's heading up. It just, all it ever wants to do is just give Grandpa money. That's all it ever wants to do. Why? I don't know. Where's Grandma? Grandma's out riding bike. She made her money. Grandma made, what did she end up making? Probably $250 Grandma made on in her cash account going up today. And she could make some more if she'd come back from her bike ride. I can't trade. She has it on her phone. I can't help her when she's gone. New high at 225.80. Grandpa's looking for, well, I put a sell in at 226.75 just because I can't stand to make any more than that. Okay, DL's going short as soon as the 5 minutes hits or flips to the downside. We got no downside yet. We have a new high of 226 heading for Grandpa's. Yeah, and I'm of the same train of thought. I'm thinking about changing this to 226.95. I'm going to pick up a little more, possibly. Yeah, well, we'll watch that 5 minute, and we'll watch that 1 minute. When we get our sign, that would be the time to do your short and get a Will she break through the 227 and head to 230? I don't know. I want to get out of my long up here and start positioning for the short, because it will come. It will eventually come. But this could be scary because if Tesla remains bullish, and stays up here, we could see the 237, 240 area again. So be real cautious about it. This thing is just phenomenal. 226.40 new high. Grandpa's trying for 226.95 currently. We're in the 5. Oh, I got you on the 1 minute chart again. Oh, here's the 5 minute DLA. And Jeff and Trees and his trucker. Okay, so we got the 5 minute up. It's just absolutely beautiful. Okay, yeah, DLA's just looking for daily. he's gonna go in and out. So, and I agree with that concept. DLA is pretty sharp young man. He hey, you guys, talk to Grandpa. Uh, Jeff, did you get some shares going long? Ed or Treasonous Trucker, did you? What are you guys doing? Are you on the right side of this bus? I hope. Are you up and away? I hope you didn't get stuck in that short fake out for 2 seconds that we had in that 1 minute. Yep, give us a sell signal in the 1 minute, just right at the open. Nasty. Okay, let's see. We're moving absolutely sideways right now in the 1 minute. We're still under a buy signal and everything. We're under a buy in the 5. This is the 5-minute chart. 15-minute is absolutely beautiful. Look at that bus run. Woo, baby. And no big wicks at the top. That's even better. Look at the 30-minute. She's strong. I'll tell you what, this thing is strong. It looks strong. Okay, Treasonous Truckers listening here on live. How'd you get on live? I never let you in. Trading 130 shares today. Oh, Jeff was faked out by that early down. Did you get out of it? Did you get out of the crazy trade? Yeah, you gotta jump on the run. Even Grandpa managed to snag a few. I'm always slow on the gun. So Treasonous Truckers up currently about 300. DLA is up a couple thousand, and we have a. Oh man, it's nasty, but we do have a sell signal currently in the 1 minute. We do have a sell signal in the 1 minute. It's not pretty, and I really think it's going to amount to a bear flag, but I can't say that for sure. We're still under a buy in the 5. We're still under a buy in the 5. Okay, DLA said he's only up 400 for something. So I'm not supposed to brag about him too much. Oh, don't you worry. But anybody that's having twins and eats at the Waffle House and is good to his wife, we'll brag them up all day. The 1 minute's showing signs of recovery. It's most likely going to be a bear flag here. The 5 minutes. This is the 1 minute. We're coming back up. She's moving sideways up here. Be patient. Be patient. Okay. Treasonous truckers. Treasonous trucker, are you trading off of my live stream? Are you guys all trading off my live stream with the lag? Let me know. We have a buy in the back. We're back to a buy in the 1 minute and the 5 minute and every other minute. So let me know what you're seeing for a lag time. I've got the clock on the chart. We got the clock up. You guys can tell me what your lags are, if you would. From the time you hear Grandpa, you see the clock. You can calculate it out. Grandpa's doing. You know, they got Grandpa again. Every time they come with this news, Grandpa looks like a dummy. Because I said we were going to fair market open, but it's going to be 216.50. And these characters jumped up and made Grandpa rich in the morning. I'll tell you what. Okay, DLA's got a 13-second lag. You other guys try to let me know if you can what your lag is. She's trying to move sideways. Is Grandpa going to get his 226.95? I think they're going to go up and push on that 227. That's where the resistance. We broke the resistance at 222, 225. And now we're going to try for 227 resistance. DLA's got 13-second lag. Jeff Mum says, "Are we toppy?" What is toppy? Okay, we better watch what we're doing here. We're getting a bear flag in the 1 minute. We are getting a bear flag in the 1 minute. I'll show it to you. It's scary. We are getting a bear flag. It is not a sell signal yet. I don't care if it goes down $10. But we are in jeopardy of getting a real sell signal in the 5 minute. That is, let's see, how old is this thing? It's not even 2 minutes. We have to wait till it's 4 minutes to know it's red. But it might end up being an indecision, then it wouldn't be a sell. But we're going down, I understand that. We're getting a bear flag in the 1 minute. This might be an opportunity to buy some more shares down towards the bottom of this thing. You might want to pick up a few more shares if she dips enough. Let's see, are we going to get a sell signal in the 5? I'm watching it. Jeff, what is toppy? I don't know what toppy is. Are we toppy? Grandpa don't understand toppy. Maybe you mistyped. And are we topping? Maybe he said, are we topping? We're borderline on getting a sell signal. Not yet. Not yet. And we have a bear flag in the 1 minute. That's for real. She's coming down. Will it be a cell signal? That is the question. Will it actually be a cell signal? Too early yet. Too early to know for sure. And the way this thing is functioning, I want to give it the benefit of the doubt on the clock. We're 4 minutes into the candle. We're 4 minutes in. We do have a cell signal in the 5 minute. We do have a cell signal in the 5 minute. Currently have a cell signal in the 5 minute. Grandpa, I'm going to remain long currently in mine. Well, I don't know. Yeah, we do have a cell signal in the 5 minutes, so. Just about got my 227, 226.40. Grandpa's trying for 226.75, and we very likely could get that yet today. She's coming down. We have a cell signal in the 1 minute. Well, we don't have a cell signal in the 1 minute. We have a cell signal in. Well, we do have a cell signal in the 1 minute with a bull flag, but we do have a legit cell signal. Okay, so how that works? You got the big green candle here. The body of the next one, not the wick. You don't worry about wicks. Engulfs into it, followed by a red candle, and we're getting another one, and it is a legit cell signal. That is the way it is. Hey, Grandma, come here. Grandma's back from her bike ride. I got to give her the good news. We are under a cell signal in the 5 minute. That's what's going on. What is Toppy? Here's the 15 minute. You sold your shares. Look what you got on there, and tell me. I think you made about $250. I think Grandma made about $250. Ed's up, or Trees in his Trekker's up a little over 300 currently. You want to get out of that long position if you guys ain't figured that much out. So when she goes down, she goes down. Did you guys all get out of your longs? And yeah, Grandma got her 221.77 on the way up to 226.40. It's too bad she wasn't here. I would have had her raise it up $5. She'd have made another couple $100.
Okay, it filled 221.77.
Right. So look at your see what you made. What'd you buy it at? Do you remember?
Remember, it's not. I don't really want it.
Well, everybody's on the internet.
But that's okay. I'm not.
Well, you are now. Grandma doesn't want to be on the internet today. She says none of our business. I'm repeating everything Grandma says today. I could get in trouble doing this. I might have to go. I took the garbage out last night. Think of the good things Grandpa does. We're under a cell signal in the 5 minute.
I don't know what you want me to look at.
Okay. Well, anyway, you could look at your balances and see what you got. What?
Okay, balances. Okay.
You can look at your balances and figure it out. I think you gained about 250. Well, you were at 214, 214 to 221, 77. So it's over. You were right at
This doesn't say.
$8. What's 8 times 28? Use your calculator. What's 8 times? What's what's 28 times $7.50? What's 28 times $7.50? Calculate it. That'll tell you exactly. Real close. Okay, so Grandma got 210, I think she got 217. It's a biblical number. I think she got 217. Grandma and Grandpa are up in this one a little over 500 so far today. Still under cell signal, but she's
They're telling me account unavailable.
yeah, just you don't want to do anything right now anyway. Grandpa's talking with Grandma in the background here. We're moving sideways in the 1 minute. We're moving sideways in the 1 minute. She's slowing up. We could have a potential upward swing here shortly, DLA. Be careful. She seems to be coming back to life for us. Not yet. We still have a sell in that 5 minute, but we're moving absolutely straight sideways in the 1 minute. And she she can snap. But yeah, we are under we do have a sell in the 5 minute. We're under a sell in the 5 minute. What time is it? Just about 10:30. I never did see, but I should check what the markets are doing. What? Somebody's yelling at Murphy? I can't hear you, Joni. Who is it? The neighbor to the right? Somebody else? Grandma's talking to Grandpa, bothering Grandpa. Oh, poor Grandma. Okay, the indexes. The NASDAQ is up. The S&P is down a little bit. Still under a sell signal in the 5 minute. And we're got a dirty sell signal in the 1 minute. Do we have a sell? Well, I keep pushing the wrong button. Do we have no, we're still under a buy in the 15, the 30, the hourly, and everything else. Still under a buy in the 15. Here's your 1 minute dirty sell signal. Here's the 5 minute. She is a sell. If you want to check your lag, I'll put the clock up for a little bit. We're under a sell in the 1 and the 5, but the 15, the 30, and everything else is a buy. We're still in a golden cross. And so far, I believe, we'll let Grandpa go back. I'll actually go back and see where that thing hit. It hit at the 215. 215. We got a $11 golden cross so far in the 5 minute. So I would anticipate. Well, who knows? Nobody knows. We're under a sell in this 5 minute, though. I will tell you that much. Yeah, DLA picked up a couple thousand a day. That's good. The diaper money is rolling in. Waffle House, here we come. Treason's Trucker, how's it going with lag? Can you see the lag? Do you feel like it's okay to trade with a little bit of lag or what? Jeff, did you get out of your shorts or what are you doing? Are you just watching for the time being? She's that time of day where we're ready to turn into a pumpkin. I think Grandpa's going to probably call it a day here at 11 o'clock Eastern time. And we had a fun time. Everybody made money. We're all happy. And we might have a reversal in the 1 minute going up. Be careful, DLA, if you're short. We do have it's a dirty buy signal, but it is a buy signal in the 1 minute. I'll show it to you and I'll explain it to you just for the fun of it. Here's the 1 minute chart. We have a high of 226.40. This indecision candle can be considered red or green, and but it's more likely we're probably moving sideways here. But this is actually considered a reversal signal. Albeit, it looks to me like it's going to be a bull flag because we're getting a red candle right away followed by it. So we're still in a sell in that 5 minute. She's just moving sideways a little bit here. But yeah, we did get a reversal in the 1 minute going up. Grandpa's anticipating 227 right now. Jeff is out. I hope he didn't lose too much on that short. this morning. We got caught in misdirection, and you got to be quick on the trigger, real quick on the trigger. That happened in seconds. It happened in seconds. We had a sell in the 1 minute. We were waiting on the 5, and the next thing we know, we had a buy and everything. Okay, DLA is closed out in all positions. He's got full ammunition for tomorrow. And I think that's a good position to be in. I really do. I think if you guys are up or whatever, you might want to call it a day because we're going to potentially sideways trading here. The 1 minute's absolutely straight sideways right now. This is not a good time to be trading. We're moving in a $1 range right now in the 1 minute chart. And it's doing the back and forth thing. And, you know, she's going to snap, but I think we're going to snap to the upside. Grandpa wants to, but I don't like trading this time of day from 10:30 on at all. I'm up a lot and I'm happy. Grandpa and Grandma's happy. Grandma's crabby today, I think. Don't say I said that. But she's not. She must have had a rough time on her bike ride. Well, then somebody was outside yelling at Murphy because Murphy was barking at him, so they were yelling at him, and you know. DLA says tomorrow we're going to have inflation numbers. Oh boy, inflation. We got inflation. Every time I go and look at a piece of meat in the store, I see inflation. Grandma and Grandpa are getting hungry. Send pork chops. I think I'm going to go to the store and buy some pork chops. I'm hungry. I like pork chops too, DLA. Don't forget that when you come up. Let's see. Treasonous trucker, you're still trading, or you guys? Is anybody in a position? Is anybody in a position? There's always tomorrow. You know, it's 10:31. There's always tomorrow. We're inching back up. We're inching back up. Do we have a buy in the 5 minute yet? Yes. Wait a second. Clock. We got to wait for the clock. We're borderline on having a buy in the 5 minute, and we have one in the 1 minute. But it's reversing back down in the 1 minute. She's just sideways. I hate this. I just hate it. We could. No, we're still under a solid now. 5 minute. It didn't give it to us. And we're back to a sell in the 1 minute. We got a sell in the 1 minute, and we got a sell currently in the 5 minute. We're still going down. Still going down. Still going down, still going down. 1 minute to sell, the 5 minutes to sell. Do you guys think I should keep this Zoom thing? Nobody seems to really care too much if they hear Grandpa live or not. Or do you just prefer to listen to me with a little bit of lag? I want please give me your opinion. On the subject. That would be nice. Cell signal in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Yeah, great news out on Tesla. Absolutely great. She's moving sideways. Yeah, DLA says it'd be great for the people on the road. Yeah, I think you're right about that because they're gonna have, they can't trade with 5 or 10 minute lag. That's for sure. That is for sure. Sell in the 5 minute and the sell in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. She's quieting down, moving sideways. 15 minute. It's got signs of a cell signal. This thing could go down quite a bit here. This is okay. No, are you out, Jeff? Is everybody out? Today, very little lag, Jeff says. Good deal. Okay. He's out. No profit today, but no loss and no profit is a profit. Right. Yeah, what you just about got it. He just about got his fill, but he didn't. Jeff is saying. So we got tomorrow coming here. We got tomorrow coming. Grandpa's trying to get out of a few shares that I got here. I'm up right around 500, and I was trying for, and we'll probably get it before the end of the day. I was trying for 226.75, and we got 226.40. And that's the way it goes. About 20 minutes here or sooner, I'm going to probably call it a day. I think everybody's pretty much out, and if they're not, they probably should be. We play the game in the morning and get on the bus, and everybody has just done terrific so far. She's coming down. She's coming down. Uh, that's what she's doing. How low will she go? I do not know. I can tell you one thing, you can expect the unexpected with Tesla. That is a fact. Yeah, I'll tell you, my feeling is now that this thing could drop down to 210. I'd just be, I want to get out of my position. I got out. So Grandpa's up $505.70. That's a biblical number. It's a biblical number. Oh my goodness. Okay, DLA says y'all have a great day. I'm out. You better cut some firewood. It's gonna get cold. Everybody needs. Grandpa's gonna go mow lawn. I think we got cloudy skies. I might go mow the church ditch because you can't mow it with a riding mower. So we have a reversal buy signal in the 1 minute, but we're just moving nowhere fast here. But we do have a reversal buy signal in the 1 minute. I don't know if you want to get on that bus or not. But everybody had a good day. Grandma made money. Grandpa made money. Trees in his trucker is up. Jeff broke even pretty much. And he didn't get his fill. He came close to getting a fill. Jeff did, but he didn't quite get it. But he erred on the side of conservative, but I would rather err on the side of conservative than to err on the side of not conservative. I wish I would have bought. I only snagged 20 shares. I should have bought 100. But I erred on the side of conservative too. But that's just the way it is. So. But we all did well. Okay, so after the close today, Grandpa will come and talk about where. Probably around 6:30 Eastern time is when I usually do it. Right in that area, right around 6:30, we'll talk about where we're going to open and the anticipated range for tomorrow. For Wednesday. So we'll get that all straightened out. Grandpa will tell you where it's going to happen. Grandpa's pretty good at talking about the open. It's all fun. And then tomorrow morning I'll try to come on as close to 9 a.m. as I possibly can. And we'll do it again. Our opportunity will be huge tomorrow. Every day is a good day with Tesla. So, okay, so I think Grandpa's going to shorten this thing up. Hey, in case you haven't thought about it, think about eternity once in a while. Think about eternity. Grandpa does. See you later this evening. We'll do a short one. Okay, bye-bye.